Let us learn English of standard 6th, and name of the poem is 4.8 and Autumn Greeting. Dear children, here autumn. This is also known as fall in American English. This is one of the 4 temperate seasons. Dear children, in India we mainly go through only the 3 seasons, that is summer, winter and rainy, isn't it? But in America they go for 4 seasons, that is summer, winter, autumn and rainy. Got this children? Here this autumn is in between summer and winter. The poet George Cooper describes here the autumn beautifully. Let's go through this. Okay? See dear children, this is the page from your textbook, and Autumn Greeting. This is the last poem of this year. Dear children, here you can see 3 stanzas, right? This is the first, this one is the second stanza, and this is the third stanza. Okay? And this is very simple poem. There are no hard words, right? If you read like this, then also you will get the meaning and you will come to know what the poet wants to tell you about the autumn, right? Okay, we will read the poem first, then we will go through the meaning of this poem. Okay? And Autumn Greeting. Come little leaves, said the wind one day, come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Simple words we can see here. I will read once again. Come little leaves, said the wind one day, come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Yes, here you can see, come little leaves, said the wind one day. One day the wind said to the little leaves. What it said? It said, come over the meadows. Meadows means grasslands. Okay, on the land. Come over the meadows with me. Why? To play. Okay, come over the meadows with me to play. And put on your dresses. Yes, put on your dresses of red and gold. It said the color red and gold. Why? Because summer has gone and the days grow cold. Cold means winter is coming. Summer has gone and winter is going to arrive. Yes, the total meaning of this stanza, once again I will tell you. One day, the wind tells the little leaves to come over the meadows with it to play. Okay, the wind asks the leaves to put on their dresses of red and gold, and it says the summer has gone and the days are growing cold. For the children, this is about the first stanza. Here we can see some rhyming words. Okay, let us try to find them. See dear children, in the second line, last word day, that rhymes with the 4th line, last word play, isn't it? And the second one here, next is gold. See here, gold rhymes with, come on tell me which word? Gold, cold, isn't it? Here in the first stanza, we got two rhyming pairs, isn't it? Okay, we will move to the second stanza. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Once again we will go through. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Here also these simple lines tell us the happiness of the leaves because they heard the wind's loud call, right? So they came fluttering down and they spread on the meadows, they danced and they flew here and there, singing the soft little songs they knew. Got this, children? Once again I will tell you here. As soon as the leaves hear the wind's loud call, all of them came fluttering down. They danced and flew over the meadows, singing the soft little songs that they knew. Got this, children? Okay, here also we can see some rhyming words. See, second line, last word, call, that rhymes with all, isn't it? One more pair is there, that is flew, new. Got this, children? I hope you understood the meaning of this stanza, right? We will move to the third stanza. Dancing and flying, the little leaves went, winter had caught them, and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. Yes, once again we will go through. Dancing and flying, the little leaves went, winter had called them and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy bed, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. Yes, here, dancing and flying, the little leaves went. Yes, they came down, they came fluttering down to the meadows. They danced here and there, right? And winter had called them and they were content. They lay down in their beds, okay, of mud. Earthy beds means bed of mud, and were soon asleep. They slept. The snow laid a soft layer over their heads. Mantle means here a layer of something that covers a surface. Here on the earthen bed, the leaves they fast asleep, and the snow laid a soft surface over their heads. Means, yes, the autumn, the leaves, they fell on the ground and they were covered by the snow. Means here summer has gone and winter has arrived. Means hot days gone and the cold days arrived. For these children, this poem is written by George Cooper. Dear children, here also we can see some rhyming words. Went, content, beds, heads. Got this? This is George Cooper's poem. Now we will go through some hard words. See here, meadows. Meadows means what? A piece of grassland, especially one used for hay. Hay means here dry grass. Okay? You can say here meadows means grasslands. Okay? Here you can see the picture. This we can call as meadows. Fluttering. Down they came fluttering. Yes. See here. The leaves they fall off. They are falling from the tree. They are fluttering. Got this? You can see the action here. Earthy beds. Earthy beds means beds made of mud. See these leaves, they laid on the earthy beds, means on the ground, right? Mantle. Yes, what is there here? The snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. Mantle means a layer of something that covers a surface. Here we can see the snow mantle, right? We got the rhyming words from the poem. We know the rhyming words, we will write them here. Day, play. Second one is gold, cold. Next is call, all. Then flew, new, isn't it? Next is went, content, right? Last one, beds, heads. Correct? Okay. Now dear children, we will move to the exercise part. Answer the following questions. What did the wind tell the leaves? Yes. What did the wind tell the leaves? This has the answer in first stanza, right? We will write answer. The wind told the leaves that summer had gone and the days were growing cold. The leaves should put on their dresses of red and gold and come over the meadows with it and play. Right? It calls the leaves to come down to the meadows and to play with it. Right? Second question. What did the leaves do when they heard the wind's call? What did the leaves do? Yes. When the leaves heard the wind's call, they all came fluttering down. Correct? Then they danced and flew over the meadows, singing soft little songs. Soon they were fast asleep on the ground. Right? Next is, what happened to the leaves finally? Yes, the answer is in third stanza. Right? Answer. The leaves finally lay on the ground. A layer of snow covered them. Right? What happens? The leaves finally they lay on the ground, on the meadows, and the layer of snow or the mantle of snow covered the leaves' heads. Isn't it? Next one, pick out the correct alternative. Here one question is there and three options are given. Okay, we have to choose the right one. Okay, which are the two seasons described in the poem? Yes, we have gone through this poem. We know that two seasons are described in this poem. Which are they? First one, winter and summer. Autumn and summer. Spring and summer. Autumn and winter. Yes, you are right. D is the right one. Autumn and winter. Right? Dear children, here one question is there. Why do trees shed their leaves in autumn season? Do you know? We don't have autumn season here. We don't take it specially, correct? But in American English, we have a fall or an autumn season, correct? That is classified according to the temperate seasons. Right? Okay, now we will go through the science behind this. See, dear children, you know that in EVS 1, I hope you have studied about this process of photosynthesis. Yes, we know that plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food. They are independent. They are not dependent on anything, right? Or any other for food. They prepare their own food. To prepare their food, they need sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and with the help of chlorophyll, that is green pigment, which are present in the leaf, that gives color to the leaf also. You know that, right? Yes. With the help of all these, the leaves prepare the food for the plant. You can say leaf is nothing but the kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant, right? It produces the food and it distributes the food to other parts of the plant, and it gives out oxygen and some energy, right? This process is called as photosynthesis, right? During photosynthesis, plant needs sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and the chlorophyll which is present in the leaf, together they produce the food and they give out oxygen and some energy, that is sugar. This you know, right? Okay. See, I will write here one by one. First one, a leaf's job is to turn sunlight into food for the tree, because it is the food factory for the plant, right? To do this, the leaf needs water, sunlight and carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll is already present in the leaf, right? During winter, there is not enough light or water for photosynthesis. See here, this is the main reason. During winter, the days becomes short and the night becomes long. So what happens? The leaves will not get enough light or water for photosynthesis. Because of this, leaves can't do their job properly. Means they are helpless and they can't prepare the food for the plant. The tree doesn't want to waste all the good things in the leaf. So it takes the nutrients from the leaf back into the stems and roots. Yes, dear children, some chemicals and nutrients will be there in the leaf. The tree doesn't want to waste all this. So it takes back the nutrients from the leaf and it keeps them in stems and roots. Okay? Hence, plants lose their leaves to conserve water or to better survive winter weather conditions. Yes, there are no nutrients in the leaf now, right? So the leaf becomes pale, they turn to yellow or they turn to orange and they fell off. Because of that, the plant conserves the water. The water will not evaporate. Otherwise, water will evaporate from the plants, from the leaves, isn't it? So because there are no leaves, so no water will be evaporated and everything energy will be saved for its survival throughout the winter conditions. For this, because of all this, the trees they shed their leaves during the autumn. Yes, dear children, one more question, this is for you. Why do leaves change their color in autumn season? The answer is hidden in the earlier question and earlier answer. Okay? Thank you, dear children. Children, try to recite the poem and learn it by heart. Okay? Dear children, let us recite the poem with proper rhythm and intonation. 4.8 and autumn greeting. Come on, let us recite.
Come, little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves at the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and flying the little leaves went. Winter had called them and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads.
This poem is written by George Cooper. Dear children, I hope you like this. Right? Now try to learn this by heart.